If you are using iPhone and if you want to know how to do screen recording on your iPhone, then this is the video for you. I'm going to guide you through each and every step. But before that, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Now, the very first thing you have to do is simply open Control Center in your iPhone and look for screen recording icon. In my case, you can see this is the screen recording icon or control module. If you don't find screen recording control module in Control Center, then tap and hold like this. Select add a control option and search for screen recording. So this is how the screen recording icon will look like. You can tap on it and you can add it to Control Center. Now once the screen recording control module is added, all you have to do is just simply tap on it and wait for 3 seconds, and now you can see recording has started. So let me go to other page like this and let me go to this side, right? So we have done something on phone which is recorded. Now in order to stop the recording, either you can tap and hold on the dynamic island if you have a phone with dynamic island, and you can select this stop button, or else again you can go to Control Center and you can tap on the screen recording option. Now where it is saved in photos. So if I go to photos application, you can see this is the screen recording. It will play automatically. So now you can see. So this is what we have recorded in screen recording. Now, if you want to record audio with the screen recording, then what you have to do? You have to do nothing, just simply again open Control Center. This time tap and hold on the icon and make sure that the microphone is on. It might be off like this, so you have to tap on it and you have to make sure that the microphone is on. And this time, if you start recording, mic testing 1 2 3, mic testing 1 2 3. Let's go to this side, and done. So I'm going to stop the recording. So whatever I have said just now is also recorded in the screen recording. Let's play it. Mic testing 1 2 3, mic testing 1 2 3. Let's go to this side, and done. So now you know how to do screen recording in iPhone and also how to record audio with screen recording in your iPhone. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.